Hi, I'm Leslie Helakoski, and I am the author and illustrator of this book, Hoot and Honk, Just Can't Sleep. Grasses sway, storms rumble, trees bend, eggs tumble. Hoot hatches, odd chick, bugs and seeds for dinner, ick. Bedtime, dark skies, can't sleep, open eyes. Scritch, scratch, scuttle, splash, just can't sleep. Who's up? Moonlight. Other chicks like the night. Flap, fly, shh, spy. Not one sound. Soar, swoop, swallow, hoot. Owlet found. Sunrise, sleepy head. Snuggled safely home in bed. Honk hatches, odd chick, fur and bones for dinner, ick. Bedtime, light skies, can't sleep, open eyes. Caw, moo, doodle-doo, just can't sleep. Who's up? So bright, other chicks like the light. Wade, wonk, waddle, honk, upside down, dip, dunk, oops, kerplunk, gosling found. Sunset, sleepy heads, snuggled safely home in bed. Night and day, wake or doze, some eyes open, some eyes close. The end.